we await the arrival of the next image, we would like to share with you some more information about the tradition of Marian processions, specifically of the Immaculate Conception in the Philippines. After the disruption caused by World War II, the celebration was revived in 1954 when President Ramon Magsaysay led the first Marian procession in Manila. This procession, which assembled 60 venerated images of the Blessed Virgin from all over the country, established the standards for today's feast day celebrations. Since the establishment of the Intramuros Administration and the Foundation and the Immaculada Concepcion Foundation, the Grand Marian Procession annually gathers together images of the Blessed Virgin Mary in the care of shrines, parishes, and private individuals from all over the Philippines. The event is held in Intramuros every first Sunday of December, though the actual Marian feast day is December 8th. The first Sunday was chosen to give the general public a better opportunity to witness the event. Again, we acknowledge the members of the Ministry of the Altar Service of the Diocesan Shrine of Santo Niño Bago Bantay. We now have the image of Nuestra Señora de la Esperanza Macarena. Our Lady of Hope. As we open the year of faith, we celebrate the silver anniversary of the participation of the weeping image of the Virgin in the Grand Marian Procession. The penitentes in robes and pointed hoods show repentance, enveloped in humility and secrecy, in the tradition of Holy Week processions in Sevilla, Spain. Joining the image are the missionaries of Mary and parishioners from Santo Niño Parish, Bago Bantay, Quezon City. We would like to thank the Alino family, led by Father Aloy Alino, for the participation of Nuestra Señora de la Esperanza Macarena.